In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a directory website using Wix. Whether you're setting up a listing for real estate, restaurants, or various services, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know, step by step. First things first, head over to Wix.com and log into your account. If you don't have one already, signing up is quick and easy. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard and click on Create New Site. This is where your journey begins. Choosing the right template is crucial as it sets the tone and functionality for your entire directory website. So in the template search bar, type in keywords like directory, listing, or business directory. There are many options to choose from, such as real estate listings or restaurant guides. These templates usually come with handy features like repeaters, search filters, and listing layouts, which can save you a lot of time and effort. Once you've selected your ideal template, it's time to design your listing page. You'll need to create two main page types, an all listings page and individual single listing pages. For your all listings page, add a repeater or a table and connect these to your listings database via a dataset. Ensure that key details like name, category, image, and contact information are displayed. This page should also include filters such as drop-down menus or a search bar, allowing users to sort by category, location, or other relevant criteria. Next up, let's focus on the single listing page. You'll want to create a dynamic page linked to your listings database. This is the individual profile page for each listing and should include essential information like the business name, logo, and a description. An image gallery and contact details or a website button should also be featured prominently. Additionally, consider adding a map, which you can easily set up using the Wix Maps app connected to the address field. Now, when someone clicks a listing on the directory page, they'll be transported to that business's own profile page. Enhancing your directory with search and filtering options is important for user experience. Insert a search bar as an input box and add drop-downs for categories or locations. These features can be effortlessly connected using dataset filters or Wix's built-in filter controls. For instance, if a user selects restaurants, they'll see only the relevant listings. Finally, let's discuss monetization strategies. A directory website provides various opportunities to generate income. You could charge for premium listings that feature businesses at the top. Alternatively, offer advertising space within the directory or use membership access where only paying members can access full details. If your directory lists products or services, consider incorporating affiliate links to earn a commission on sales. To quickly recap, start by choosing a suitable Wix directory template. Set up your CMS collection for listings, build an all listings page and dynamic profile pages, and add search and filter options for seamless navigation. Incorporate submission and approval workflows if necessary, and don't forget to explore various monetization options such as premium listings, memberships, and advertising. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functional and profitable directory website up and running in no time. Thank you for watching and happy building.